Welcome to dasuhaenglish channel. Today we will learn English. Make sure you concentrate. Conundrum. Conundrum has the same meaning as puzzle. Let's look at an example. Example. Solving this mathematical conundrum requires advanced problem-solving skills. Next. Resilience has the same meaning as endurance. For example, despite facing numerous challenges, she demonstrated great resilience and never gave up. Next. Mitigate. It means reduce. For example like this. Planting more trees can help mitigate the effects of climate change. You can make your own sentences. Intricate. It means complicated. Example. The design of the building features intricate details and elaborate decorations. Alleviate has the same meaning as relieve. For example, the new medication helped alleviate her chronic pain. Next. Eloquent. Eloquent is the same as speak fluently. For example, the speakers delivered an eloquent speech that captivated the audience. Exemplary. Role model. For example like this, she received an exemplary award for her outstanding academic achievements. Pragmatic, which has a practical, realistic meaning. Example. Instead of arguing, they took a pragmatic approach and found a practical solution to the problem. Ubiquitous. It means spread it everywhere. Example. Smartphones have become ubiquitous in modern society. Next. Exacerbate. It means make things worse. Example sentence. The lack of rain exacerbated the drought conditions. Comprehend. Comprehend is the same as understand. Example. She couldn't comprehend the complexity of the theory. You can make your own example. Acquire. Acquire is the same as get. Example. He has acquired a vast knowledge of different cultures through his travels. Perceive. Perceive is the same as see. For example, some people perceive failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. As an exercise, you can make up your own sentences. Facilitate. Facilitate has the same meaning as help. Example. The new software will facilitate the processing of data. Implement. Implement it means put into action. Example. The government plans to implement new policies to address climate change. Evaluate. It means assess. For example, The teacher will evaluate the student's performance based on their assignments and exams. Elaborate. Explain in detail. Example. The professor asked the student to elaborate on their research findings during the presentation. Diversify. Increase variety. Example. The company decided to diversify its product line to attract a wider range of customers. Advocate. It means support. Example. The organization advocates for equal rights and social justice. The last one, disseminate, has the same meaning as spread. For example, a sentence like this: the government launched a campaign to disseminate information about public health measures. Thank you for watching my content today. I truly appreciate the support and the time you've spent watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any exciting future content. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you again in my next video. Stay inspired and keep chasing your dreams.